So just looking at what's happened in the last year. So 2021 was the crypto summer surge. You can see from, March under 500 up to it was in the billions by January. And then it started to slide. But it did not evaporate. So we're going to kind of look at this more closely. So as of September 2022, this month, if you look year over year, no, it's not year over year, just from January, the NFT sales during September to date are down 600 million from the $5 billion peak in January this year. But having said that, 600 million sooner or later adds up to real money. So you can see the buyers are falling, but when you look at the buyers in Q2 2022 compared to Q1 2020, still a lot of buyers out there. So this was news to me. And again, this comes from Chain Analysis, which I think is a really good company. I've got doing a demo with them on Monday, but Central and Southern Asia is by far the biggest region. That's the red line that you see at the top of this chart. Seems counterintuitive to me because I always think that the people with the most disposable income would be the most active, followed by Northern America and Western Europe. Other stats I found is that it is truly worldwide because no region has 40% or more of the marketplace. So it's not like it's concentrated in North America or concentrated. There's a little bit everywhere all over the world. When you look at it, there's a surprising amount of activity going on, even in places you wouldn't expect, North Korea. But you can also see that there's like a dampening of enthusiasm by buyers, starting with the institutional buying, which is off by 73%. That's a lot. These are the larger buyers that have lost their confidence in this market. They're no longer buying in. So the sell-off continues. So ETH2, which lowered the gas fees, people were really sort of wondering what effect it was going to have on the OpenSea marketplace, since OpenSea has the bulk of the NFT marketplace, whether it was just going to sort of grow exponentially in market share sort of overnight. I think it's safe to say the jury's out. There was a small gain, and when I say week over week, I think that's sort of this week or last week, but it's like just happened. The average price dropped. So you can see the average price is $199, which is also interesting if you're doing a project. The traders did go up. That's quite a jump. And so far, one of the big fears was that if I'm on OpenSea and I put a project up on this new fork, there's going to be a duplication and the potential for scamming people who don't realize that it's not really unique in this case because it's in two places. You can always put up a project on a different blockchain, and some people do it. They use two blockchains. They're like, okay, I'm going to take this one down if I sell that one, but it's up to, if you got to trust that they're actually going to do that. Otherwise, you can have something that someone else can buy. I think that brings us up to date. After this, we're just going to jump on to OpenSea next week.